We were working with a leading food delivery company, processing over 120 million transactions every month, operating 24/7. And from the outside, everything looked like it was under control. But inside the operation, it was a completely different story. They had alerts coming from everywhere. Different systems, different tools, all generating noise at the same time. And the team was constantly reacting, trying to figure out what actually mattered. A lot of the work was manual, investigating incidents, collecting information, documenting everything. Even after all that effort, it was still hard to understand the real root cause. And in a business like that, there's no room for delays. A 10-minute delay in detecting an incident can affect 600,000 orders. It affects customers, partners, and ultimately, it affects revenue. So the challenge wasn't just fixing incidents faster. It was making the whole operation work in a smarter way. We started by organizing the foundation, creating a command center, bringing structure to the processes, and making sure the data they were using were actually making sense. Then we introduced the AI to support the IT operation, reducing noise, speeding up investigation, and making response more consistent. The impact was huge. To begin with, over 70% of the incidents simply stopped happening. Incident detection became 57% faster, which in turn reduced the overall severity level. Resolution time fell by around 70%. And response times improved by over 90% across the board. This client has now drastically fewer false positives, and engineers finally stopped being called in the middle of the night. But what really changed was how the team worked. They were no longer stuck reacting all the time. They finally had space to think bigger, and the platform took the opportunity to expand its services. Today, it also operates in financial services. That's a great story to prove that when IT operations stop being a bottleneck, it starts supporting the growth of the business.